In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Mercury Bank account as a non-US resident. Let's get started with the first essential step, creating a US-based business. To apply for a Mercury Bank account, it's imperative that you have a US company, such as a limited liability company or a corporation. This setup is crucial, as it positions you legally to operate within the United States. Alongside your company formation, you need to obtain an employer identification number, commonly referred to as an EIN, from the IRS. This number is a must-have for business banking needs, ensuring that your company is recognized officially for financial activities. Next, let's make sure you're all set with the necessary documents before you begin your application process. These documents are fundamental for a smooth experience. You should have your company formation papers, such as articles of organization or incorporation, ready at hand. You will also need your EN confirmation letter, which serves as a testament to your business's establishment within the US. Further, have a valid passport or government identification available for all the founders of your company. This will help in verifying identities swiftly. Another key document is a US business address, which cannot be a P.O. box. This is essential for official correspondence and establishing a tangible presence in the country. Once you have gathered all these documents, you can proceed to apply online. Start by heading over to Mercury's website at www.mercury.com. Once there, click on the Apply Now button, which will kickstart your application process. You'll need to input your company details along with your personal information during this stage. As you go along, ensure to upload all the documents we've discussed earlier. Double check that everything is filled in accurately, and once you're satisfied, go ahead and submit your application. Now that your application is in, it's time to wait for approval. Mercury will carefully review all the information and documents you've provided. This process typically takes a few business days. Do keep in mind that they may reach out to you for additional proof regarding your business activities or to verify your provided address, so it's crucial to remain attentive to any communication from them. With these steps complete, you're on the right track to opening your Mercury Bank account as a non-US resident. Remember, preparation is key, and having your documents in order can make a world of difference in expediting the application process. Good luck, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your journey to establishing a business bank account in the US.